Welcome to my listing here in Tower Isle, St. Mary. It's a 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom house on a third of an acre. The house is on 3 levels. But before we get into the details of the house, just a little overview of the area. So Tower Isle is a resort corridor, I would say. It's St. Mary, 10 minutes drive east of Ocherius. But it features a nice little beach not far from here. Well, a couple of beaches actually. There's Sugar Pot, which is 5 minutes drive going further east. And there's another small beach down the road, which is within walking distance. And a couple of restaurants are here. There's the historic Harmony Hall Art Gallery, which has Summer House Restaurant. There's PJ's Cafe, which is famous for Italian. It's formerly Toscanini's, rebranded. And the famous and one of my favorite, Twist ice cream. In supermarkets, it's known as Vineyard Town ice cream. That's literally about a quarter mile up the road. So quite a few eateries and other, other conveniences are in the area. There's also a supermarket not too far from here. And as I mentioned before, Ocherius is only 10 minutes drive from here, which features quite a few attractions and many things to do. Fine dining, restaurants, bars, supermarkets, you name it. Everything is at your fingertip within 10 to 15 minutes drive. So come on with me as I give you the details of this fine home in Tower Isle. So we're entering on the main level, I would call it, because the house actually has 2 entrances. The gate is automated here. You also have a pedestrian entrance. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but if I did, just a reminder, it's on a third of an acre, beautifully landscaped. So we're on the upper level and we're going to enter from the carport or the garage. We're at the main entrance and we have the powder room on your right here. Then we have the kitchen, which also has a very huge pantry, which is almost detached. Well, it's not detached, but it's a big pantry here. And there's a nice flow from the kitchen into the dining area here, which also flows into a TV room, which offers a great sea view. So this is one of the many areas of the house that offers a sea view. And we flow from the TV room into the living room here, which leads out onto its own balcony on this floor. This balcony has a sea view as mentioned before, but we also overlook the yard here, which has a nice lawn. And this floor offers one of the 7 bedrooms that the entire house has. So I'll show you that bedroom, which has its own ensuite bathroom. And this bedroom also offers a sea view. And you can always reorient as you see fit. If this was my house, I'd have put the bed where I can enjoy the sea view rather than being back to the sea. And as mentioned before, it's own bathroom here. We're proceeding upstairs to the other 3 bedrooms. Very nice wooden staircase here. First stop is the balcony. Fantastic sea view. I think this is the best view of the entire house. Next up are the 2 bedrooms. Which have a bathroom in between, so it's dual access. So on this top floor, we have a back balcony, which is on the southern side of the house, which is a nice feature because you can walk from your primary bedroom, which has a bonus room here, which can, as I mentioned before, can be used as an office or sitting area. And you just have your own dedicated veranda here, overlooking the driveway. On the back side of the house, or the southern side, is this little sitting area, which has a view of the road and the driveway. And from there, we can enter. There's access to an extra room, which is an add-on to the primary bedroom, but we'll enter from the inside of the house. So last stop on this floor is the primary bedroom, which also offers a sea view. And this room has its own air conditioning unit and ceiling fan. Bathroom with a shower stall, double sinks. And this is the bonus room that I mentioned we could have accessed from the veranda. So this could be used as an office or whatever your choice is. So and you can access the veranda from here. So we're at the eastern entrance of the property, which, I mean, it has its own entrance to this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, self-contained. I wouldn't even call it a flat, but it is a flat, but it could be considered a whole house. As mentioned, great income earning potential, but the new owners can decide what they want to do with it. Beautifully landscaped yard. And you can actually walk the perimeter of the property because there's a walkway on the western side of the house, but we can get to that after. So there are 2 entrances. This is the eastern. There's also the northern side of the property. A semi-wraparound veranda. This side could be considered exclusive for this bedroom. And all 3 bedrooms on this level of the house have ensuite bathrooms. So we'll call this bedroom number 1. Which flows into the living room and another side of the veranda, which allows, a lot of privacy if you have multiple guests who don't necessarily want to be in each other's spaces. Bedroom number 2 on this side of the house. And all bedrooms have an AC unit, and I believe all of them are inverted, which means they should be very energy efficient. Closet and bathroom. Bedroom number 3 has a little character here. You actually step up to the bathroom. It's a little different. Own shower stall. And then, as mentioned before, it has its own kitchen. It's not even a kitchenette, it's a full-size kitchen, which has a little dining area here. And this leads out to its own dedicated wash area, laundry area. And also access to the outside, which, as I was mentioning before, you can actually walk around the entire premises. So you will pick up the walkway on the western side of the house here. And there are a lot of little utility areas. This is a huge area for storage. And there's another storeroom there, which is below the drying area. And lastly, I'll show how this 3 bedrooms self-contained flat connects to the main house if you so desire. So there's a staircase here, red carpet welcoming you to the space, and but you can also lock it off. It has a grill and door, so it's good. It allows good flexibility if you want to include the entire house as one space, or if you want to have it detached as a separate quarters, which it can be. We're going to take a quick walk from the eastern entrance here, just around the perimeter of the property, so you can see the beauty of the outside of the property. So it's nice landscape. You can actually use the lawn area for any outdoor activities that you may want to indulge in. couple of fruit trees here. This looks like sweet something, you know. I know for sure this is Aki. And then another lawn area here, which can be used as again for entertaining or whatever your choice is. So this property really offers a myriad of opportunities for increased privacy. You know, a new owner can easily raise the walls a bit, you know, just to make use of the outdoor space if you want more privacy. And you know, it's a good opportunity to take advantage of the sea view from here. And if you have children, Iona High School and Prep School is walking distance from here. It's a high school here in St. Mary. So, in a nutshell, that's this beautiful listing we have here in Tower Isle. 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, spread over a third of an acre, beautifully landscaped grounds, and along the resort corridor of Tower Isle, which offers dining, shopping, beaches, 10 minutes from Outre-Rios, which offers many attractions, and just a myriad of opportunities here. So give me a call today. Owner is motivated, so we can look at offers. Thank you.